So I was having some issues with my microphone, but I'm doing a voiceover now for this, so don't mind my mouth. I'm going to show you peachy pork and rice. 6 ingredients, about 20 minutes. Let's go. We're going to go ahead and start this off. Get your pork, you cut it up into nice little cubes. You can cut it smaller pieces if you want. Then get some oil. Put it in this here bowl. Just need a couple tablespoons. And toss the pork around a little bit. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Get all covered in that. Then get some good old taco seasoning. Flick it on there and toss it all around again. Try to do this without making a mess. Kind of failing. Then get your heated up skillet. Put it in there. Start cooking it up. Oh no, pork overboard. Start cooking it up for about, it'll take like 8 to 10 minutes to get all cooked up. Nice and pretty like, until it's ready to go to the next step. So I will come back to you guys when the next step's ready. Oh, while you're at it, also throw some rice in a pot, start cooking up some rice for this. Use whatever rice you want. I'm using jasmine rice, brown rice works really good, whatever you want to use. Hey everyone, when I'm not cooking, I like to listen to my favorite podcast, UNASS Midwatch. It's a comedy that takes place in a time when all the military branches are dissolved and combined into one large military branch. And 4 people are put on a late-night security detail together, become friends, and hilarity ensues. A new episode is posted every Thursday on whatever platform you find your favorite podcasts. I'll put a link tree down below in the description so you can follow it and listen to it on whatever your favorite platform is. So go ahead and join Doom, Pike, Leon, and Skrulls as they try to navigate their new vessel, the Mighty Fowl, in this new military. Also, a little mystery is involved around a mysterious AI on board the ship. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Okay, next my lovely assistant's going to add the next couple ingredients. First, she'll be adding some peach preserves. Do you want me to do it? You can do it. Alright. Go ahead and scoop it up in there. With her little tiny hands. A strong hand. I'll mix that up while she gets the next thing. Then she'll add the next ingredient, which is salsa, some salsa. I'm just using some mild salsa. I don't want it to be too spicy. The light spicy. Alright, mix that all up. Try to get everything covered in that goodiness. You're gonna let it cook through. Make sure that the salsa and the peach preserves get all nice and cooked in there before you serve it. So it'll take a minute or two to cook everything through. So I'll come back to you guys when mine is all ready to go. Alright, mine's nice and cooked through, so I got my little thing of rice here. Go ahead and scoop some of this yumminess on here. Some of this sauce on here. You got a nice, yummy peachy pork with rice.
Looks like sushi.
There you go. Well, there you have it. It was 20 minutes, roughly, and 6 ingredients. Really tasty. Has a nice amount of spice and a nice amount of sweetness to it. My family loved it. I loved it. I should have made more because we didn't have enough. If you like this, please put a comment down below. Let me know what you did and didn't like about the recipe. If you would change something about it, what would it be? And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button and that little subscribe button and little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. Also, please share my videos with your friends and family. I appreciate it.